So now that we got the tire removed and rim installed back, next step's going to be spin it and figure out where the high or low side is and adjust these screws accordingly. Here's another telltale sign, guys. If you can see, this one here is obviously tightened way more than this one here. So something like that can also jump out to you. I'm going to loosen that one up and kind of just go from there, trial and error. So I think I found our low spot here, and they actually make a special tool for adjusting these things, guys. I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver, and to pull it in to the side you want to, you're going to tighten it, and obviously the opposite for the other side. If you loosen it, it's going to obviously pull it away, I guess you can say. Not perfect by any means, guys, but no longer rubbing my brake, so I'd call that a success. Put the wheel and tire back on and go drifting.